G'day guys, my name's Irad Taz. This is Steve, my XV750. This is an angle grinder, and this is the tail end of my bike, and this is the video where it gets real. Guys, I've made the decision that I've done a swing arm mount on two bikes, my XV750 and my XV750. In this, I want to do something a bit different, and I want to go back to mounting the guard on the frame for a while. If I don't like it, then I can swing arm mount. So what I'm going to do is cut the frame basically at this narrow point there. So I've just got to find visually where the narrow point is, measure it, and then transpose it across to this side so that I can get it even, and then we cut. So visually the narrowest point's about there. That's 35 mil from the edge of the tab. Just going to use some electrical tape. So we've cut the frame off, we've cleaned it up with the flat wheel. I'm pretty happy with it. I've just sort of evened out some of the protrusions, and I just want to cap that end off. I want it to look finished, and so what I'm planning on doing is using some epoxy steel, some JB Weld, or in this case it's Selleys Knead. I'm gonna sort of create a cap in there and then grind it off, clean it up. Just gotta twist off a section, put it away so the dog doesn't eat it. And knead it up so that the colour is consistently through it. So it's sort of got a two-part epoxy system. It's black and then it's grey. So we just knead it up. So that both parts get pushed through. You can feel it's becoming much more supple. And we've got about 5 to 10 minutes work time. Okay, we'll just let that go off, which usually takes about half an hour, so I'll be back with you to check in. Guys, I think that's come up really well. Just in a nutshell, we measured and cut the frame, we cleaned it up with a flat disc, and then what we did was buy some Selleys Knead, which is an epoxy metal repair putty, and we moulded it in. We let it dry for an hour or so, and then we used the flat disc to shape it, and we gave it a lick of gloss black Rust-Oleum just to finish it off. I think this makes it. Ultimately, I'm not a big fan of just cut off frame, open pipe. I think this caps it off and just gives it a finished look. Next week, we're going to set to work creating a rear guard for Steve, which is pretty exciting. It's really coming along. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to support my channel, go to www.buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz and support. Buy Me a Coffee is just like Patreon, but you don't need to be a member. You can just do one-time payments. Guys, ultimately, the content is free to consume, but it's not free to make. I'm always buying stuff for these bikes, so if you want to support it, just go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. Well, I'm pretty happy. I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'll see you next time, guys. Till then, I'm out.
Uh-huh.